Time capsules are a great way to back up your Mac. However, they have one flaw, and that is the ability to partition the drive inside your time capsule. In order to do this, all you have to do is follow these steps. First, I want you to turn Time Machine on and select your time capsule disk. I've turned mine off for now, but my time capsule disk is selected, and I have been backing up this Mac to my time capsule. Next, I want to go to Finder. Next, we're going to go to our shared volumes, and we're going to select our time capsule. Yours will be named something different if you've named it appropriately, but you'll notice the time capsule icon there. We're going to log in, and we're going to click on Data. These three files here are my backups. So I have 3 Macs backing up to this time capsule, but the Mac that I'm currently working on is called TB-1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to right-click it, and I'm going to click Show Package Contents. I'm going to change the view so it's easier to see, and we're going to copy these 2 files here, these ones ending in machinid.backup and machinid.plist. I'm going to make a new tab for now, and I'm going to change the view back, and I'm going to go to Time Machine, and I have already done this once, but I'm just going to copy or paste those there. So they're pasted there, they're done. Those 2 files are information that Time Machine uses to read to the disk. Next, we're going to go to Disk Utility and we're going to make our own new volume, which is where we're able to change the size of our Time Machine volume. So we're going to go ahead and click on Add plus New Volume. Now, I recommend making a folder entitling it Disk Images. I'm going to title it the same as the sparse bundle image that was in the time capsule. So mine was TB-1. Make sure that's the same. Next, we're just going to change the name of it to, say, Todd's MacBook Pro. Now, before we can change the size, we're going to want to change the image to a sparse bundle image. Next, we're going to change the format to macOS 10 journalated or case-sensitive journalated. Now we can change the size. Now, the size depends on how big you want your backup to be, and that depends on how large your Mac's hard drive is. To see how big your hard drive is, go back to the Finder, make a new tab by hitting Command-T, and go down to your computer's name, click on Macintosh HD, and click on Command and I. Now we can see mine's 500 gigabytes, so that's all good. I'm going to make the volume 500 gigabytes. Also, whilst you're doing this, make sure Time Machine is off. Next, I'm going to make it 500 gigs, 520 gigs to be sure, but we don't want to make it any bigger because we're just wasting space. So we're going to hit OK. Next, we're going to make sure everything looks good. We have our sparse bundle image, and that's named correctly. And we're going to hit OK. Done. Now it'll make the disk image, and then all we have to do is go back to these files here that we copied earlier. We're going to copy them again. We're going to go to our disk image, the one that we just created. We're going to right click it. We're going to click Show Package Contents. We're going to right click and paste those 2 image files, or those data files, into that disk image. Now this is exactly the same as the other one, it's just a smaller disk image, so it's not going to fill up the whole time capsule, it's not going to overflow it. And you can do this for every Mac that you have, so you can make it so only one of them is so many gigabytes. Now notice it's already here, but we're just going to right click and paste it in. It will say that it already exists, so we're going to go hit replace. Now because I am doing backups from these other 2 Macs, it will take some time to copy across, Hopefully everything goes okay. Looks like it's going to, yeah, there we go. It's going to start copying. Now, after this is finished, all you have to do is go back to System Preferences, click on Time Machine again, and click on Tap On. This will resume the backups, but a message will appear, and if this this will be finished while I am talking, it'll say, do you want to use this disk because something has changed? We want to click yes, use the disk, because we know something has been changed. That's just the file size of the disk image. We've made that partition, so our Mac isn't going to run out of, it's not going to fill the drive up. So that's all finished now. We can go ahead and turn Time Machine back on. The disk is selected, and we're going to go up to our Time Machine button here, and we're going to say backup now. It'll look for it, it'll start preparing the backup, but if all goes to plan, it should come up saying, hold on, something's different. So the main reason why I've made this video is because I didn't find many videos on the internet about it, but I found a few guides and a few videos as well, but I figured I might make my own. Because it's not the easiest step. So this is the message I was talking about. I'm just going to go ahead and click use this disk. Now all is good, and it'll just start backing up, and this process will take some time, so please be patient. I suggest leaving your Mac on overnight to back up, and if your Mac has Ethernet, I suggest connecting it to Ethernet if you are able to do so. If not, I suggest having a good strong Wi-Fi connection, and of course plugging your MacBooks into power so your battery doesn't run out. So that's how to partition a drive, or a time capsule drive, on Mac OS X. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out my other videos and toddstechtips.com. Don't forget to like me on Facebook as well. And I hope this helped. Thanks again for watching, and have a nice day.